Ever wondered what really goes on behind landlord insurance and whether it's worth every penny? Stick around as we break down the must-haves and the clever extras you cannot afford to miss. Let's start with the basics. Builder's insurance is your guardrail for the structure itself. Think walls, roof, even fitted kitchen units. Without it, any storm damage or subsidence could cost you tens of thousands of pounds. So next up, you've got contents insurance. Now, if you're supplying white goods or furnishing a rental, this cover replaces those items if a tenant accidentally breaks them or a burst pipe floods your carpets. A lot of people tend to forget about liability insurance. This is your legal umbrella. If someone slips on your stairs or injures themselves on your land, legal fees and compensation claims can skyrocket, so this one is non-negotiable. Now let's talk about the extras that no one really tends to talk about. You've got rental guarantee insurance. Rent guarantee insurance steps in if your tenant stops paying, and this ensures that your mortgage still gets paid, even when the rent doesn't. Legal expenses cover makes eviction battles and contract disputes far less stressful. One call and all your legal fees are handled. And then there's also accidental and malicious damage cover that protects you against everything from smashed windows to deliberate vandalism. So that way you're never left footing that bill alone. You might be surprised how much of your premium can vary from one property to another, and it all boils down to 5 factors. So you've got the property type and the age. The older listed buildings cost more to insure. And then you've got areas that are prone to crime or flooding, which could also hike your premium. And then you've got the different types of tenancy as well, like HMOs, short-term lets. These also carry higher risks. And don't forget about your claims history as well. A spotless record can get you discounts, whereas multiple claims can just simply raise eyebrows because you appear to be higher risk. And then you've got features like alarms, secured locks and detectors. These shave up to around 15% off your premium. Know where you stand on each of these and you can negotiate better terms on renewal. And don't forget to shop smart. One of the best ways to keep your premiums cheap is to just simply bundle your buildings and contents, your liability and legal cover all in one policy. By doing this, it often will not beat the individual policy prices. And always compare the quotes before the renewal, because the insurance market is just constantly changing and new deals crop up all of the time. So pick an excess that balances your premium and your wallet. Going too high can save a few quid, but it can also cost more if you claim. And then don't forget the small print. Exclusions like vacant property restrictions and wear and tear clauses can also catch you off guard if you're not careful. Hopefully that has helped you understand landlord insurance a lot better. I create straight talking videos for UK landlords covering buy-to-let, bridging loans and smart property finance strategies. If you're serious about growing your portfolio, YouTube's picked a video out for you here. Give that one a watch next, and I'll see you next week.